woke up with the world on my mind. Coffee's brewing, we're on the grind. Two mics, two voices, let's unwind. Laughs and rants in a dizzy parade. Life unfiltered, every topic's fair game. Zesty takes, caffeinated chats, two girls, too much to say.
Which I was not going to do.
Yeah. Lazy. So we are making what? It's called what? Gajar, carrot cake or something?
Yeah, it's a carrot cake
Wow, okay.
with oats and maida because maida is required for this, for cakes and stuff.
Can we not use another flour? I don't know.
See, because you're already going with oats, it will be difficult to
Yeah.
skip maida
Yeah.
altogether. So yeah, it's best to have. I'll use this as for water.
Yeah. 4.
Let's see. I hope it works.
Yeah. Did you like the haircut lady?
Bro, she was damn nice.
Yeah.
She was really good.
I like your hair. It's nice and short. I also want to do short hair. But I'm so scared.
Of looking bad.
Yeah.
I get
Like
it.
I've never cut really short.
But you've always had
long
hair. Yeah. So I get it.
Like when I went to her, she said that
You look good. That's what you told me, right? She said you look good with short hair.
yeah, and she said don't think so much about it. Like just do it. So I think that makes sense, but I'm still scared.
Yeah, she was like that with me also. She actually wanted to go shorter.
Oh,
But like my concerns are like I've gained weight recently and all. So I'm like recently for the last 6 months I've
I
gained
think
more
it's-
weight then.
it's-
So I was just like maybe I should not do so much.
I think it's not weight. I think it's creatine.
No, but I'm not using it that much. Like I'm not that regular with creatine.
But water retention happens. No.
That's true.
So
But like I've used it maybe 15 times.
Hmm.
So it's not enough, I think. I don't know.
no. Okay.
Anyway, so yeah, I am now pitting the dates and soaking it. This part I'm actually unsure of. Other things I still know what I'm doing. This one, I forgot to
If
see.
it doesn't turn out to be good,
No, it'll be good, but this date caramel sauce might not work out.
so then what will we put?
Then it's fine. Dry will also be fine. It will not be
Okay.
a problem.
Got it.
Yeah.
So
So-
what happened at the thing? You were saying something happened at the hair place.
Yeah, so basically, okay, I called her up and I really wanted a haircut today because I was like, fuck it. Because,
And you're also gonna go for your birthday.
yeah, I'm going home for my birthday.
Yeah.
And it's my birthday.
And you always cut your
And
hair.
I cut my hair before around my birthday because that's the time I'm losing my mind because I'm like growing older. So I really wanted a haircut and I was like, please give me a time, like an appointment early in the morning. We'll use the water also, huh?
Yeah.
And I was like, please give me an appointment early in the morning, please, please. And she said, oh, I have somebody coming at 11:30. So you please come at 12:45, 12:45. We'll be able to do it. I said, okay, fine. And I tried to tell her, listen, I have cut appointments because I had a meeting with my boss at 2 o'clock.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I'm late actually. Then I had to come here by 3:30.
Yeah.
And then of course I have to go again. I have to go to IKEA by 5:30. 5:36 I have to be in
IKEA town?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So then I was like, okay, I don't have time. So can you like please like whatever? And then she whatever. I didn't say it, but then she understood because by the time I reached there, I was like, I knew you want like you were in a hurry. So that's why I said come at 12:45. I knew I'll be done. And
Okay.
bro, we were done by my haircut by 1:08.
Oh.
Yeah, from 1:08 to 1:30, it was
So
hair
quick.
drying.
Oh wow.
She was trying to dry my hair. I was like, fuck. Anyway, so when I reached and she told me my other appointment will be done by 12:45.
Yeah.
So you come then.
Yeah.
Okay. Guess who was there? I enter
Yeah.
and guess who was there?
I mean, I know.
It's like a biggish, like a big celebrity. A bit old now, but like big.
Mm,
I'm pretty sure one of her parents had a crush on her at one point.
that old.
Like, I don't know, I think so. Because for women, they are like, they peak earlier, right?
Okay.
But she's not peaked till now because she's still like judging stuff.
Oh.
Anyway, I just entered and I saw,
Karishma.
similar. Shilpa Shetty.
What?
Yeah. I just entered and I was like, oh my god. And of course, she doesn't want to be seen by a
Yeah,
person in
regular
that state,
person,
right?
yeah.
Where they're like combing her hair and doing this and all. And I was like, oh shit, like, whoa. So I didn't react just to,
Yeah.
because obviously she'll not be happy, right? She
Yeah.
probably wants her space and stuff as well.
Nice.
Yeah, so then I was like,
But
okay,
did
fine.
you like?
No, I ignored her.
Oh,
I fully ignored her.
fully ignored. Oh, damn. Okay.
Yeah, so then she was getting her stuff done and I got done before her.
And she still wasn't done.
She still wasn't done.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Mera
So
to-
you spent time with her.
And basically, my stylist was working on her and me at the same time.
Yeah.
And she was talking to both of us. So it was almost like the three of us were in the same conversation. But of course, she was talking to her and I was also talking to her.
But what was she talking to her about?
So she was saying this only, like I knew my stylist will, I knew that her, like if she'll come and then my work will be done by this much time. And I said, okay, yeah. But then she came late, so I was worried that I won't be able to give you time. And I was like, wow, she was late and she was worried that she won't be able to give me time. Okay, whatever. And
She's
then,
a very nice girl.
she's old, dude. I don't think she's a girl.
No, the haircut person, the hairdresser. She doesn't look that old to me.
Definitely old.
Okay. Her Instagram says agony aunt. So maybe she's old.
Definitely 35.
35 is not old, so Havi.
So I thought you mean 28. Yeah, I agree. 35 is
Yeah.
not old, but I just mean she's not like 20s.
Yeah, of course. She's not in her 20s.
Yeah. Where's the dustbin? Where can I throw this?
There, inside. Or leave it on this. Leave it on this. We can throw it later. So did you like have a stardom struck moment or whatever that is?
No, because you know, I have never been a very pro.
Star person.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
me
only like one star.
Yeah, and for that we've done enough.
Yeah, for that we've done enough. So
Yeah.
I'm not doing any more for any other stars. So then that's it. So yeah. Anyway, but crazy, yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice. And did you tell him off?
I wanted to, but then I didn't have time because I had that meeting
Oh yeah.
and then I had to come here.
Hmm.
I will tell him.
Oh, are you putting this in the mixie?
Hmm.
Okay.
I'll make it into powder, no?
Okay.
Actually, it should dry a bit.
Yeah, let it dry a little bit. Yeah.
तो फिर और करना पड़ेगा. Hmm.
Cool.
Okay, anyway. Do you give me a bowl now? We'll
For
mixing stuff.
mixing the
Except this, I'll mix the other dry stuff.
how big? This is okay.
Bigger.
Oh, bigger you want?
If you're making two bowls, two breads, or two things, so yeah. वो वाला ना पतीला.
This one.
नहीं, उसके साथ.
This
yeah,
one?
हाँ, इससे पीछे वाला. The big one.
Cool. So I don't know how to bake. So Havi here apparently went for a cooking class.
Not one. Like at least 10.
Damn.
I've gone for like very formal training of
Dude, I was reading this novel called Butter, okay? I don't know if you've heard about it.
maybe I don't know.
So it's about a Japanese sort of serial killer lady who loves eating and cooking food. So what she does is she goes to Tokyo to college and then she drops out because she's like whatever college and she's living off by dating older men and cooking food for them. And there is nothing sexually involved in it.
Okay.
And so she went to a very fancy baking, cooking sort of school in Tokyo, run by some Italian madame woman, something like that. And I've been reading it and I've been like, fuck, I want to go to a cooking school.
You can. One of my friends for her honeymoon, she went for a cooking class, like pasta making class.
Honeymoon, nah.
Like, yeah.
But that's a fun class.
Or
Like,
you
I want to
to-
really go and learn how to cook something fancy.
You know how to cook.
Yeah, basic stuff.
Okay. Give me that sieve, no? I want to sieve the...
Yeah. So I want to go and learn how to cook. Basically. Where is the
We not planned for this.
the seed?
No, yeah.
No, there is this. Oh, is it outside? Yeah.
छन्नी से करूँ मैं?
हाँ, take the small channi then.
तो टाइम लगेगा.
This one.
है वैसे तो.
We have lots of time. So yeah. Oh, did you read that Raghav Chadda quit AAP and went to... Dude, that is the funniest thing ever.
And can I tell you the funny thing?
Yeah,
You know,
please.
when I was in Delhi and I was working with this one lawyer, he was representing that time's Delhi government.
Okay.
And that time, obviously, Raghav Chadda was part of
Yeah.
AAP, right? So they had there was something, they had a private, I'm forgetting. Okay, yeah, so exactly. There was this one thing with Facebook and all, okay? I don't know if you remember. Basically related to Facebook's policy and algorithm, Facebook and like other social media platforms were being charged with not preventing fake news from spreading,
Oh, yeah,
not
yeah, yeah.
preventing misinformation from spreading.
Huh.
Okay. So Raghav Chadha was head of that Delhi State Assembly's that particular committee at that point.
Okay.
And he was obviously the face of it because
Yeah.
you know Raghav Chadha.
Yeah.
So I was super excited to work on that because if you remember, Raghav Chadha came into
Limelight.
limelight when we were in college and he was cute. Do you remember?
Yeah, I do.
We were in college, we were like 18, 19 and he was 25 and he was the spokesperson for AAP at that point.
That time he came?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I
then I
remember
don't
discussing
remember.
this in college. So I remember discussing this
Yeah.
with everybody in office and I was like, bro, we used to have a crush on him and this and that.
Yeah.
And I can't believe I'm getting to work with him. I was telling this to everybody in office and they all remembered. And so yesterday, a girl that I've not spoken to in years,
Okay.
like since 2021, I haven't spoken to her. She texted me saying, you saw what your boy Raghav Chadha did? I'm like, no, she's not my boy, but okay. She remembered from that 6 years ago that this is like, I was so excited. And I was like, bro, I don't remember this at all. And of course, I didn't, like, we spoke a little bit, but we didn't continue chatting because there was nothing in common also.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Man.
I can't believe it.
Wow, I don't... Yeah, but what a stupid thing to do. And like the amount...
I think it's a smart thing to do.
Of course, it is a smart thing in current time. But, I mean, I just don't know. Like,
Are you ready? Do you want to do this?
sure, yeah.
Because I'm scared.
Okay, so how...
Fine, super fine.
Super fine, okay. Oh, wow. What have you put in this? Oats.
Oats.
Let's see. Oh, it's hot.
Should have told you before oats ko roast karna. I bhul gayi bolna.
This fine?
A bit more.
More.
But it's almost done.
Okay. I don't care. I don't care. God, I've been obsessed with this one person on Instagram. Do you know that Life of Pooja?
Yeah. People are like, we're talking about her. I remember.
So what happened? So I was just randomly, is it okay?
yeah. Put
Yeah.
it. I'll do it.
Okay. Randomly scrolling and I came across some girl who's a lawyer. I think I sent it to you also. Who was talking about how this Diet Sabhya person did like an investigation on Life of Pooja.
Yeah, she did. I also saw her.
Because she thought that she's fake and she is saying what the brands want her to say. And then I'm thinking, why would a brand want you to wear this adha sari with like half a sari? Like how people in rural Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal wear
No, but
clothes.
like different kinds of brands. No, not like clothes brands only.
So which brands?
I don't know. I haven't.
Like
seen.
what brand is she promoting by that?
She must be promoting something. You can put it in
The seed, no?
this.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. No, but I wasn't. I thought that was stupid. Like, how is she gonna? Like, what brand is selling that? Please tell me. What do you think?
I don't know because actually I didn't follow it. You have to tell me what exactly happened. I know I started following her. I went and saw her profile only when Diet Sabha was posting about her because I'm not on Instagram that often.
Yeah.
Like, I'm there for like 45 minutes
Yeah.
Not even 40, that's too much. Like 20 minutes a day, suppose, properly,
Yeah.
which is in the morning or in the evening. So then how do I know what other people are posting?
So
right?
I also, that's the time when I'm also on Instagram, but somehow the algorithm pushed this lawyer talking about the thing that Diet Sabhya did, where they did an investigation on what she does and what she is talking about and all of that, and questioning her credibility. That
Yeah, I know
how, like, how does she speak in English? How does she have access to a phone that can record, and how does she know how to post on Instagram?
that is so basic. Everybody does it.
Yeah, exactly. And so her, which I really liked, her response to that was, just because I am, or I mean, what she was trying to say, Pooja, was just because I am not elite.
I saw that.
So you think that I don't have access. And that's how a lot of people think, right? That if you are, let's say, from a certain class, you don't have access, and if you have access, then you think that it is some sort of marketing gimmick. And I was like, that does make sense. And she actually said that, which means that she is a smart person, and she knows how to deal with trolls and what people are saying about her and whatnot. So then I was like, what is really your digital identity? Like, who do you want to be? Like, do you want to be this authentic and put your life out there? Or do you want to pretend to be the aesthetic person with, doing all the good stuff, like going for Pilates, this, that? Or what do you want to do? Like, how do you become your raw self or not? I don't know, actually.
Okay. So I do think that people were like putting up
Yeah.
a different side of them
Okay.
in the last few years, like almost everybody. I mean, everybody who was on Instagram and was like, if you remember when Instagram came, nobody was very curated. We used to post anything and everything.
In 2013 it came?
12, yeah, 12.
12, 13,
Yeah, so we posted food. We posted walking a dog. We posted the cats. We posted.
Dude, my first photo of Instagram is with, I don't know, Rishita and me sitting in that lobby in the passage in our college. And how did we dress and come to class?
Yeah.
And that's the photo. So that's exactly what you're saying. Like, that's what we used to post.
Yeah, and then over time, when it became like a business model for people, people became more curated. And now people like us will not be posting on Instagram. At least I barely post on Instagram.
Yeah.
Because I feel like my pictures are not that. So I don't need to post
Like,
it.
they're not aesthetic.
They're not that aesthetic. So I don't need to post it.
Yeah.
Okay. But now I think people are again becoming more raw.
Yeah.
Somebody like
Pooja. Yeah.
Even if it's, I mean, because of her, like because of she's from a place where it's hard for her to be extremely aesthetic.
Yeah.
So it's highly possible, even if she has brands on board or don't have brands on board,
Yeah.
like it's okay. Like she's still quite original, right? Because that's
Yeah.
the kind of content that is selling.
Yeah. I agree. And also, I don't think it's fake. It's more like, I mean, obviously the aesthetic self will be aspiring, but the raw self is like a promise. Like, it's kind of, a version of your life that you are also comfortable putting out there, right? You might not be comfortable putting out everything. You just want to kind of put the version that you feel you are okay to put. But again, Pooja is putting everything.
I have not seen her Insta to know.
Dude, so yesterday or day before, I don't know, again, maybe it's an old post or something, I was scrolling and she put up a post that after her childbirth, she's been obviously feeling some kind of lump. And she went to the doctor and the doctor told her that obviously it's not like something very serious, but it is something. So she's also putting content like that where she's just talking about,
I mean,
what her life is. And through that, how she can aware people and, stuff like that.
Make people aware. But even like you have had health issues. So it's like even you can talk about it, but it's not like you will talk about it.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I had a tailbone fracture. I stopped going for pole class.
So, 1 second. You are not looking at the camera. You're bothering me. Do what you're doing and
I'm
fucking.
moving between the.
Yeah, but your back is always there.
No, I'm always like this.
No, your back is always there.
Okay.
And in the
I'm
center.
standing there. But I'm gonna go there. You have to cut all of this.
Yeah, obviously. But I didn't want to pause and. You want to check if it's still recording?
Yeah, actually.
Because we don't know, na. ये तुम क्या मैं कर रही हूँ मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. You've
I
been
know
doing
what
that
I'm
for
doing.
1 hour.
Bro, but like it's because we need a sieve.
Yeah. Okay, it is recording. Okay, continue.
हाँ, you tell me. You start.
What was I saying? But
Can you just look at which minute we were at?
which minute we are at?
Yeah, so I know when to edit.
I can't see that. Sorry.
ऊपर से ऊपर 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 है.
नहीं आ रहा है.
इधर से आओ ना.
Something 16, but उसके आगे वाला
Oh,
I can
okay.
only see seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, let me.
ठीक है. I'm not doing anymore. I hope it's enough.
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
record.
it's fine. Don't do too much. Okay, anyway, so we were talking about puja. Yeah, so what I was saying was that she's talking about her health, and you said that I also had health issues. I could have talked about it, but I didn't. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't want to talk about that. I only want to post the good things that are happening in my life or when I'm traveling or something. But that's, I mean,
People to people, right?
people to people, of course. But you don't post that also.
I don't post anything.
Yeah.
I went to New Zealand 2 years ago. I have not posted.
Yeah.
I went to Thailand. I didn't post. I went to Egypt. I didn't post.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I also don't know.
Egypt, though, you could have easily posted.
Yeah, because I was traveling with a professional photographer.
Oh, yeah.
So I should have posted, but I did not.
Yeah, you should have. But, you know, the last time we were talking about what you had said, no? That all of us have become a version of ourselves, the curated self. And that's what people are putting. Where I think some people are then also being super raw and not putting that. And just being like, your real life identity, this is who you are. So then it's not that your digital identity is different and your real life identity is different. You are not two different people. You talk about everything online, but then that is sharing of too much information. Would you want to do that? What do you think?
Can you repeat? I'm a bit distracted with the recipe.
Oh my god, this girl can't do two things at the same time.
I really can't. Tell me. So again, digital identity.
Yes. No, so I'm saying that a lot of people only post when they are happy on vacation, whatever. But then there are people like this who you don't even do that.
3 types of people. People who post everything, people who post good things, people who don't post at all. People who don't post at all.
And people who post good things.
Yeah.
And then puja is people who post everything. Right? But so do I then become the person who is posting the curated self, which you were talking about the last time when we met?
You don't think so? I think so.
But that's also part of my life, right? It's not
I mean, it's okay if you do that.
not happening.
It's okay if you're only posting the good stuff. You don't need to post everything. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to post. It's shut and it's done. You
Yeah.
don't need to post everything. So it's okay. Like, it's fine.
Yeah. No. But then, I mean, for let's say again, coming back to this person only, is it then you relate to that more or do you relate to the curated version that's there?
I think
on-
people have stopped relating to the curated person.
Really?
I genuinely think so, yeah. Because even the influencers that I'm following, no, are the ones who are a bit more okay, normal than the like the ones who are really cute. No, I can't follow. Like I will not. I have unfollowed every single one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody I followed as a college person, I've unfollowed every single one of them.
Okay.
There's nobody who I still follow from that time because I cannot follow those kind of people anymore.
Wow.
I just know.
So you like the rebel kind kids?
I have unfollowed her as well because that
Yeah.
is also an act. So like,
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. So there is always a difference between what you really are and you're showing and what you really are and are really showing.
repeat.
It's-
One is
One is, okay, that is your personality, your move for this, that, but, and you're putting it out there, but there is always a sense of that this is again a curated self, and versus this Pooja who's just outright putting everything that's happening from her day to day at 6 o'clock when she gets up to like 9 o'clock she sleeps. So I don't know her obviously, but from the way that she's putting her content seems that she's really real versus a rebel kid who I think is again curating a lot of it.
So Rebel Kid, I think, has become the person who's curating more than.
But she
Because when
wasn't that.
started, she was more normal.
Okay.
Like, more relatable.
Yeah.
Now when she's like, oh my god, I got a brand to sponsor me to Coachella, is not relatable anymore, right?
Yeah, Red Bull.
Yeah,
did
I saw that.
for
I don't
me.
even follow her, but that came on my.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Came on my feed also. And the place that she lives in is, we know that place, right? And she did like a DJ sundowner party in her house. And I was like, wow, this is obviously that is a curated thing, right?
Yeah.
And that is only for content.
No, but even you hosted a
Coffee rave.
coffee rave.
But I didn't
Did you post it?
No.
Both of us didn't post it. I co-hosted it with you.
Yes, and you didn't post it. You should have.
I should have.
We made orange espressos.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. But but do you think that
I'm really
People are-
struggling.
okay, do you want my help?
I want to know, can I put it back?
Is it only jaggery powder?
It is 90% jaggery powder.
Ha, put it back. It's
It
fine.
may be a little bit of maida
Yeah, just put it back.
because I'm not being able to like sieve enough because this sieve is giving me trouble. Oh,
Wait, let me see. Let me do the sieving. You do something else. Maybe take a break, drink your coffee.
ब्रो नहीं होगा, बड़ा वाला चाहिए, इससे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
How you want to make it fine? Do you want me to run it in the mixie?
How much will we do that?
How much do you want?
It's without sugar right now, so we need to add sugar. ठीक है, you do it. I'm removing it. I'm putting
Yeah.
it back.
Give me, I'll do it. You do something else. Mix something else. Make something else or whatever.
I'll just have coffee.
Yeah. But do you think that the rebel kid persona or whatever, the person that she is that also her vulnerable self?
I do think what she posted about after the whole Samay Raina thing last year, Feb,
Yeah.
I think that portion of it was maybe obviously real because she got like rape threats and stuff. And
Yeah.
she obviously has the balls to still be strong, right? It's so scary. You know, when I don't know if I've told you this, when I was very, very young, which is like in school,
In school.
yeah, this
Okay.
one guy had followed me.
Followed you as in?
Like he broke in, I was in a boarding school and this man, also a kid, he was 18 maybe at that time and I was 16 or something. He broke into my school to talk to me and my teachers got him. Some teacher got him and everybody got really mad at me, like my teachers and whatnot.
Oh wow. Bro.
Yeah, and
And he wasn't from your school.
no, he was from somewhere else and I was about to be like the head girl and shit and they didn't let me be the head girl because they thought my mind is not at the right place.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just saying something like that happened to me and I couldn't, since that's when I deleted my Facebook. Like, and then for 2-3 years, if you remember, when we met, I did not have a Facebook because
You had BBM.
yeah, because it was more secretive and private and I was
Yeah.
scared for my life. Like, I was so scared that somebody found me in a boarding school, somebody who had never met and like,
But did
Did
that
me
person know you like in real life?
he had seen me at a national horse riding event and he, whatever, found me cute or something. And then somebody will come and clean it up later, right? All this
Yeah,
stuff. Uh-huh. And he found me cute or whatever. I'm finishing your entire butter. Huh? It's too less for me.
That's fine.
He found me cute or whatever and he got my number and he started texting me and I blocked him. And for 2
Wow.
months, for 1 month, he pretended to be somebody I knew. In
Oh my
class.
God.
Yeah, he pretended to be somebody I knew. And then he, like, whatever. When I realized it's not that person, who I knew in school, and it was somebody random.
Hmm.
I obviously blocked him and all that. And then he broke into my school, which is like a fortress. My school was a fortress, and like he found me.
My
And
God.
he almost reached me, and he was Joby. So it was so scary for
Dude,
me.
that's very scary.
Yeah, I was freaked out like crazy. So I couldn't even tell anybody about it because I was so embarrassed also.
Hmm.
Very few people know about it, like my parents.
Yeah.
That's it.
And now the world will know about it.
Now the world will know. It's fine. It took me like a long time to even tell people about, like, to reach that place and tell people that this has
Yeah.
happened to me.
This happened with my twin also, actually.
What happened to her?
So, I mean, somehow someone got her number, but it wasn't because they found her cute or anything. They found out that she's friends with someone who said no to the guy, and the guy wanted to take revenge. So he started bothering the girl's friends. And my sister was
One of the friends he bothered.
other friends also, but the girl who said no was my sister's very close friend. Like,
Okay.
and so the guy started troubling her.
School friend.
No, some master's friend.
Oh, okay. Much later.
Yeah, and they weren't in the same college also, but they were still friends. They used to volunteer together for Make a Difference. And then she was in some other college in Delhi, and my twin was also in Delhi. And then they found it, and and the guy found the number of my sister and started bothering her with threats and all. Found her number and said things to her. That's it.
I think I'm giving up on this.
Do you want to put some regular sugar?
No, yeah, I'll put condensed milk. No?
So I think that'll be enough. We don't need too much sugar. We are making healthy.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
it needs to be like moist and stuff as well, right? Do you think you can use mixie for this?
What do you want to do?
Like mix it a little bit more. I'm removing this.
Yeah, okay. Give me that only.
I need another spoon.
Wow, baking is a lot of effort, dude.
Yeah, just put it here, no?
Yeah, I'll do that. And then just
Mix
this, okay.
Yeah. Although I don't know if it will happen, but still.
that will happen. Yeah, so I mean, while this digital world is something that we all want to be on and, post something, if not like everything, something, it's also scary out there, I feel.
Yeah, I mean, my brother, who's a professional photographer, has told me so many times that there are so many people who are online and doing things. Somebody like you should be online. Like he's told me that so many times.
Like, do what online?
Just like post. I mean,
Okay.
can I use this?
Yeah.
And he's been like somebody, like he's whatever. Okay, so he's like somebody like you should definitely be online. That's what he said, and I was like, how do I tell him that this is why I can't be online? You know, it really takes courage for me to even post. Like obviously, it's been more than 10 years now,
Yeah.
but still, I'm still worried for myself. What if he finds me? What if he knows where I live? Or
Yeah.
he should have moved on with his life. But
So he was like the stalker kinds.
yeah.
Man.
And something
Scary.
like this started for me much like long back. Like when
Hmm.
I was in class 8 or something,
Yeah.
this wow. We had gone out, all friends had gone out to a mall. And my closest friend that time, Niharika, she had gone to chill with her boyfriend while
Okay.
she was supposed to meet us. And midway she ditched us, and then she went to meet her friend.
Yeah.
We went to meet her boyfriend of that time. So we were all waiting for her because her mom knew she was with us and all that stuff. But anyway, she then, while I was waiting for her, I was randomly walking in different
Yeah.
places. And some guys started following me.
Oh my God.
Imagine, 3 baje din ke, Sunday ko, some guys started following me and just, I got so scared. I was running and running and running from one shop to the other. And I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
And they were just following. Like, I was so scared. My God, I can't remember. Uske baad I stopped meeting her only. I was so mad at her for doing that to me, like leaving me.
God, it's scary, dude.
Yeah.
But then this is real life. Now this is happening all
Yeah.
on the digital world.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And is just even more scary. I mean, I don't know. It's just what do you put out there? What gets trolled? What makes you uncomfortable? What makes someone uncomfortable? Like now, everyone's trolling Raghav Chadda,
Yeah. You should
and
be.
and yeah, they should. And obviously, they are pulling out all the old content, right? That things that he's said. So, oh man. So it's like I don't know how much can you really, be yourself online. How fine do you want this?
Not a lot.
What is it? That's true. Let's see.
Flaxseed.
What that is. Oh, this was flaxseed
Yeah.
in water.
Yeah.
This much you want
Yeah, please put it.
in this.
Mm.
Cool.
Now I need some milk, okay?
Yeah, milk. Okay.
You have, right?
I do.
You said you had.
I do. I have. I was just worried that do I have boiled milk?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. No, because I don't drink milk. Only the cook that we share has tea.
मेरे यहाँ मैंने उसको कितनी बार बोला मेरे यहाँ पी लो.
But he comes in the morning, the first to my place, and then I'm also the last house that he comes to. So then he just does that at my place.
Okay.
Nice.
Can you now
Yeah.
get the thing out? The tray.
Which tray?
The one that we're going to use for baking.
The paper tray, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's there. Are we gonna like pipe and all also?
No, I didn't plan on piping.
Damn, I wanted to do that. Woohoo! I don't care. Okay. How long do you have to bake this?
35 minutes at least.
Wow. How will you go to IKEA? Why do you have to go to IKEA?
Because I'm going home, right, next weekend.
So you have to buy stuff.
Yeah, my brother wants to.
Okay.
2.
Yeah. Those are a little torn.
No, so it can be like that, no? It's fine. It's like this. Oh, you mean it's totally
No,
fine.
this one's idhar se fata hua hai. This one's fine, right?
Yeah, give me one more.
So you want 2 for 1. Is that right?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, it'll be better, no? And you have to grease it.
Yeah. Oh, should I finish the butter? You have oil?
Yeah, lots of oil. We can grease it with olive oil. Ah, my God. I have to do an endoscopy on Monday.
Shit.
Yeah, man. Adulting is so hard, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can eat this cake that we are baking. So, I'm worried. So, anyway, what I was thinking then also that, everyone's posting and it's become a thing that you have to post. And do you,
Which one is olive oil?
which one's olive oil? It's written on it. This one. Do you think that people process their emotions now or just see something and post it? Like, let's say you go for a beautiful sunset. Do you process it? Or do you want to like just post it?
I don't post it. So you're talking to the wrong person about it.
Man. But what is your opinion about people?
I think a lot of people do a lot of things just for the gram, but that I think has also stopped for a lot of us. That people are
Yeah.
like, I know one girl who posts a lot, okay? And I
Okay.
don't know, I mean, I don't know her personally, but I just know that she posts a lot.
Okay.
And I don't follow her on Instagram, but I just know that she posts a lot, okay?
Okay.
And I know she's had a baby and she's not posted at all.
Oh.
Yeah, so like,
Wow.
so that's crazy, right? So people have stopped doing that as well. Like the way the way we were using Instagram or social media, primarily Instagram in 2012, was different from the way it was being used in pre-COVID. Then COVID time, it just really became fast.
Of course.
Everything became like income-wise,
Yeah,
content
yeah.
curated types. And then now it's back to
Yeah.
can't deal with that shit anymore. So
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I get you. But yeah, I mean, I don't post sunsets, sunrises, whatever, because I don't like to be like all gaga about it. I'm like, okay, I don't want to get up in the morning and just for a sunrise. Very controversial opinion, but but yeah, I have started feeling that because there is so much out there about something that you are doing that people have already done, that you go and quickly want to read the reviews.
As in?
Like you don't want to experience it, but just go and see the review and then you be like, okay, this person has said this person has said that, now I can try it or I can not try it because it's, you know, good or bad. Like you want to see the rating, you want to see the review, and you're not using your own brain and processing things the way you want. You're not experiencing it yourself, but just going by the reviews or, you know, just putting it or doing it because someone else has done it.
Example.
Okay, let's say I want to read a book, but first I will see the review of it. I'm not going to experience it myself.
What if you're wasting your time? It's a good thing only, I think. What if it's a bad book? Why would you want to read it? Why would you want to waste your time?
Because you also want to know why it's bad. Maybe you like it.
Do you have that much time?
Exactly. You don't have that much time, which is why people don't process. They just go for it. Like they don't think about it and just do it and go for it. And I think it's becoming like this person's experience is
A shared experience for all of us.
Yeah, it's driving my experience making decision also.
Okay.
Yeah. Which I don't know if let's say there was no digital media or whatever that is, would you go yourself and experience, like Dhurandhar, for example?
Yeah.
Like everyone is not going and watching, right? Some people are like, oh, the first one was better. Some is like the second is better. And a lot of people have told
Is it
me,
on?
yeah, a lot of people have told me that second is not good. I have not gone and seen it.
No, I was also not going to see a 3-hour movie.
Yeah, that's a different thing. But like this happens so much for other things also, right?
Yeah.
Like you just,
Which one is mine, you know?
that one, the more, because you're doing the heavy lifting in the baking.
Thank God I made you grate the carrots. Thank God I didn't do everything.
You would have hated baking idea.
Yeah. I'm already getting very confused and like worried about what we're doing.
Do you want me to mix it more? So once this is made, what do we put on top? We put like a...
That we'll have to Google. Can you Google date caramel syrup?
You'll have to give me your phone.
My laptop is on. My phone is on.
Okay. Should I just ask ChatGPT? Date
I need sugar. You have to go.
caramel sugar. No, date caramel syrup.
Date syrup. Just date syrup. Caramel छोड़ो. Caramel तो मैं अपने मन से बोल रही हूँ.
Huh, and we don't have caramel.
No, you make caramel
How do you make caramel?
with sugar. and
Oh,
butter.
like you put it in the butter and oh my god.
But I wanted to be more liquidy, which I'm not very good at making it very liquidy.
Date syrup. Put your phone on. It's not. The network is so bad in the kitchen. See, date syrup.
I fucking wrote fate syrup.
Date syrup.
Date syrup benefits.
No. We just want
Soaking dates in hot water. Fuck, I didn't do that. I didn't know. Straining out the pulp with cheesecloth, simmering the liquid until.
cheesecloth you want.
नहीं वो चलेगा पर गरम पानी तो चलो ठीक है 2 to 3 cups.
Dude, I'm relying on you for this dessert. I got my periods today and I didn't eat a dessert. I went out and still didn't eat.
Let's pray to God.
Let's pray to God.
Microwave and garam karo isko. Your oven is on, no?
Yeah, can't you hear? Tick, tick, tick. It's heating.
Okay, fine. I don't know. बस 10 मिनट के लिए मेरे को गर्म करना है. मैंने 40 पे डाला था, so just 10 minutes preheated and then we'll
And
do this.
how much do you want this?
Just a little bit more. 30 seconds. is okay.
30 you want? Okay.
No, that's also too much, but it's fine.
Okay.
Can you just pour it because I'll mess it up. Is this mine? Yes.
Yeah, mine is here. I need a better.
Oh, I didn't put this.
Oh my god. And condensed milk, when does that go?
I put it.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to taste it and see if it's there? If it's sweet or not?
No, I don't want to.
Taste it now.
No. I want to wait till the end.
I can't even smell. Can you smell it?
Yeah, smell I can.
What is it smelling like? Other than vanilla.
Ooh, smelling nice.
That's because I just put vanilla.
Should we put some chocolate in it?
You
Dark
have?
chocolate. No, I
have?
don't. I wish I
You
had.
have chocolate powder?
Oh, okay. Let's see. Be careful. Cacao powder. Do I have it? I might have it. In the fridge. Yes. I have it.
That's great.
Just for the taste of it. Ooh, man, it's fully new.
But which one is it? Is it the sweetened one? It's cocoa powder.
Unsweetened.
Unsweetened, so we need to put more sugar. More condensed milk.
Let's put condensed. How much do you want me to put this? And do you just want to put the direct powder? You want to sieve it again?
It's quite fine. I think I want to put 2 chammach types.
2 chammach.
Because this one is quite bitter, so 1 chammach types.
Big chammach, like a big spoon of it or a...
Just put 1 and let's see the color change.
Yeah.
Can you now mix it and see how the color changes? How?
Yes, I will do that. I don't care. I love it. Don't care.
What if it's damn nice? Or what if it's terrible? If it's terrible, okay, fine. What if it's damn nice? Will you be shocked?
No, I know you cook well.
I don't cook, I just do stuff.
No, you cook well, dude. You went for a cooking class.
I went for multiple.
Yeah. Find me, na, one class that I can go to.
I don't know any place here. ठीक है.
Like, I want to bake.
It's at 40 only, वैसे तो, but we can do it. I think you can. We'll
But
more
put
this.
condensed milk, no?
Where is it here?
See the color now.
We put more condensed.
Wow. How is this healthy?
अरे मीठा तो होता ही होता है यार. What are you saying?
Damn. Wow.
1 second. Let me do it in front of the camera. करो ना एक बार. लेके चलो ना उधर लेके चलो.
Oh my god, okay.
Okay, done.
We are baking a very, very healthy
cake.
with lots of condensed milk in it and also a lot of jaggery in it, which apparently is not healthy. I think the batter is nice and liquidy now. You want to check it once?
Can I?
Yeah. The texture of it?
Yeah, I don't think it can get better than this because it has carrots.
Yeah, exactly.
कट देते हैं. कट देते हैं. Oh, 1 second.
What do you want?
I need to dust this with maida.
Cool. Let me, till then. So I was meeting a colleague today for breakfast.
You met somebody for breakfast and somebody for lunch.
No, I only met someone for breakfast or like a brunch, which was supposed to be a lunch, but then it.
Did you have a brunch plan?
Yeah, but we met at like 11:45 or something.
But wasn't it with
The colleague
Cousins?
was ex-colleague. That's tomorrow.
Oh,
that I
thought
moved tomorrow so that we could do this today.
Oh, I
So
didn't
we are
know.
going to the Geo World Drive Mall.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. And I don't know what I'll eat there.
Done now.
Let me just.
Give me.
You want to do it?
No, I want you to only do it. I don't want to do it.
Cool.
Yeah, all this messy stuff I don't like doing.
Yeah, that's why you asked me to grate the carrot.
Yeah.
No, this one's mine. So, tell me what's happening at work. Oh, what happened to that legal case thingy that you guys were
I
working?
can't put it on thing.
Oh no.
Okay. Anyway, I'll tell you what happened yesterday. So there's this girl, okay, in office.
Oh, but you had a fight, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
So basically, there's this girl in office that is a little bit, no, people don't like her so much.
Okay.
And I have been nice to her because I've just been nice to her, okay? So she likes me.
Okay.
Just the other day, she was like, oh, your birthday's coming, I'll get you something and all that. And I
That's
was-
nice.
And I was just like, bro, I don't want any gift from you, okay?
Yeah.
But like, whatever. Anyway, this is good, thanks. Now the other one. I was like, I don't want any gift from you, karke.
Yeah.
But anyway, now she, for some reason, so now what's happening is we both are on the other side of the same deal. I am representing one side, she's representing the other side. So both
That
the-
also happens in the same firm.
yeah, so we have to take a conflict favor from both the clients and then work on it. So and then we have like Chinese walls where we don't talk to each other, we don't let them know the points and all that.
Okay.
But in this case, what happened yesterday was our senior told us this has to be closed today. So you guys talk to your clients, figure it out, and close it today.
Yeah.
So I asked her what are the best positions you can give me based
Yeah.
on your other deals you've closed. And she said, I don't know, why don't you check the emails? Bro, because if it's Chinese walls and conflict waiver, you're supposed to tell me. I shouldn't be checking the emails and doing my own research and knowing what the best you've given to other people that you need to give my client as well.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
And I was like, okay, fine. Fine. I was like, let it be. Then I went through the whole draft, made the changes. I
Yeah.
called up my client and I was like, listen, this is the best. I knew her best positions before she knew it.
Oh.
And I called up my client and I'm like, bro, this is the best they'll give. Can you let me know? Out of which, suppose there are 15 points, out of which she said, no, this 7, I still want you to push for us.
Yeah.
Even though they may not agree, but can you please still push?
Yeah.
I said, okay. So I made the changes in the draft. I sent it to my client to approve. And in the meantime, those 7 points that he said would be, this is something they need.
Yeah.
And please push. I sent it to her saying, listen, these are the 7 points. But she didn't check her WhatsApp or whatever. Then she opens her WhatsApp. She's like, what have you sent me?
Yeah.
And I'm like, these are the open points. These are the points that I need to push for. So you need to check with your client or the platform for it. Or the platform for it. And she goes like, you don't need to tell me what to do. I will figure that out. But what have you sent me? And I was like,
Read it, bro.
I was like, read it, bro. Like, literally, that was my thing. I was like, I've literally sent it to you. She's like, so is it? So does that mean everything else is closed? And I was like, no, you still have to go through the draft. She's like, you don't have to tell me what to do. And I was like, literally, girl, I am only trying to help you by closing it faster.
Yeah.
Your client wants it to close faster, which is why I'm trying to finish it off,
Yeah.
right? And you're telling me, no, you tell me what have you done, bro? I've done the whole thing. I've finished the whole thing. My client still hasn't sent the draft ahead to the other side. Her client also hasn't gotten back. So it's still open. And they're texting me right now saying, can you do this? Can you do that? Of course, I'm not going to do it. I wasted like a couple of hours
Yeah.
yesterday with you and her. I will not be doing any more work because it's a Saturday and I'm not working today.
How is that happening though?
Let them deal with it. I don't
No, but how are you not working on a Saturday, bro?
I don't work every Saturday.
Oh, I
I
thought
work
it was
some
off.
Saturdays. It's hot, right? Bro, it's not hot.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Did you increase the temperature?
It's not on, Shad. It's not on.
No, it's on.
गर्म ही नहीं है पर.
Max.
I was at 180, which is what I wanted. और मेरे को नीचे का चाहिए, मेरे को ऊपर का नहीं चाहिए. पर ठीक है मैंने ऊपर का किया. पर लाइट ऑन नहीं हो रही है.
Dude, it is. Oh, because it's not on. Now it's on.
I asked you 10 minutes
I
ago.
thought it was on. It's okay. I put it on max. It'll happen quickly.
Doesn't work that way, but okay. ऐसे नहीं होता. अब ऐसे करो इसको.
Yeah, I know. I'm just putting all of that out. I've already done that for that one.
Okay, done. I hope it works out.
Whoa! Cool. Yo. Are you like... Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
गिरे ना बहन.
Oh
iPhone 17 हमारे मुंह पे गिरेगा.
my god, yeah. So, you know what happened with the phone?
Tell me.
So, we were in Sri Lanka, right? And we all were partying at the pool. So, it was
heads are getting cut.
throughout.
I think so. I think so. मैंने तरन दो. ये तो उसका 1.5 ना भाई. I think so.
Throughout?
I think so.
Oh my goodness.
I think. Fuck, I should have not listened to him. Don't tell him that. He's not gonna watch it, right? He will not, hopefully. इतना तक तो नहीं देखेगा. बहुत लंबा हो गया भाई. इतना नहीं देखेगा वो.
Do you want to like pause it and like see?
No, I don't care. We are done. We anyway messed that up.
That's not messed up. That's looking good.
Yeah.
But anyways, what happened in Sri Lanka? So we were all chilling at the pool and we had put everyone's phone on the towel, inside the towel, right at the pool. And we were dancing and singing and all. And suddenly so when we came out, my phone said that water in this charging case, dry it out. So we were doing that and whatever. So 1-2 days I used the charging pad. And I was like, okay. When we came back, we were like, okay, let's just go and check out at Chroma and all what the deals are. And then when we went there, we just decided to buy the new phone because we were getting a decent deal. So we did that, and then they said, oh, but you have to put your phone on charge because you know,
Woke up
and
with
data
the
transfer
world
will have to
on my
happen.
mind.
So we were both scared. Oh my god, what
Coffee's
will
brewing,
happen?
we're
So
on
first
the
time we
grind.
didn't charge when the person put the phone on charge, and then I
Makes
just
two
took the phone
voices,
out and I
let's
said, 8 minutes.
unwind.
Like, give me a minute.
Laughs and lands in a dizzy parade. Life unfiltered, every topic's fair game. Zesty takes caffeinated chats, two girls, too much to say.